Welcome to the September 2024 event, where we bring you the latest products for Jeeps, trucks, and even more. Now, the event may look a little different, but we're going to be bringing you even more great new products. If you're a truck owner, you know the importance of protecting your cargo. And a hardcover is a great choice, but sometimes you gotta haul something a little bit larger. Well, DZ's hitting the market with their all-new cover, the Guardian Tano cover. This hardcover opens with ease thanks to the dampened gas shocks, and it can flip over a full 180 degrees for larger cargo. It's made from sturdy aluminum and has all the features you would expect from a great cover. It's got T-slot rails for tie-downs and racks, a locking handle to keep out unwanted guests, and a textured black finish that looks great on any ride. And a really cool feature is the channel system that drains water away from the cover. This, along with the seals, keeps your cargo clean and dry. Having multiple trailers with different hitch sizes isn't going to be a problem anymore with this new offering from Waysafe, the Steel 180 Pro Hitch. This new hitch is the most versatile hitch that Waysafe offers. It's made from high-strength steel with a black powder coat finish, so it will last and look great. What makes this hitch so versatile is the variations on how you can use it. It can be used as a standard drop, or it can flip to the rise position. And you can adjust the ball in 1-inch increments for more control over the tongue height. Flip the ball over to go between 2-inch and a 2 5/16" ball mount, and for an added bonus, they have a 2-inch receiver slot for additional accessories. They're offered in a 2-inch and a 2.5-inch shank, as well as a 6 or 8-inch drop. When you're on the trail, you need to be able to see, especially at night. Well, these new VSL lights from EGR are going to keep you visible and on the trail even longer. The VSL lights for the Jeep Wrangler are built to handle the roughest trails. The panel is made from polyurethane and can be ordered in a variety of custom colors. The lights have a 165-degree flood beam pattern with an insane 2,500 lumens. This is great for the trail and even setting up your campsite. The lights aren't just bright, they're sturdy. They're made from an all-aluminum housing with a UV and scratch-resistant lens. These lights are up for just about any task. Sometimes you need a little bit of extra storage under your cover. Well, the DZ Red Label low-profile chest is going to protect your gear and keep it all in one place. This chest is designed to fit underneath your bed cover and easily be moved anywhere you need it. The box is made from a sturdy bright tread aluminum, and it is strong. The internal bends and V-pan lid stiffener give added strength. The lockable paddle handle is easy to use and will keep bad guys and evildoers out of your tools. The closed-cell foam gasket will keep your gear dry and clear of dust, dirt, or just about anything else. And the textured black finish isn't too bad on the eyes either. Traveling can be fun, but you've got to protect your family. Well, Red Arc's new Tow Pro Trail Kit is a brake controller that's great even if you're towing a trailer off-road. This plug-and-play brake controller allows you to operate your trailer brakes from inside your ride. There are 2 braking modes: manual off-road mode, which is perfect for the most challenging trails, and everyday mode for day-to-day towing. The manual off-road mode sets this controller apart and can help with steep descents, sand, mud, and other challenging terrains. The sway stop control lets you stop trailer sway with one touch, which is really important when your trailer gets a little loose in the gravel. The controller won't be an eyesore either. It's made to look like it's from the factory, and the main unit is mounted behind the dash so you won't be banging your knee on it when you're driving. Sometimes we've got some heavy-duty towing to do, and for that, we need a heavy-duty gooseneck. And you know Gen Y makes some heavy-duty hitches, and with a name like the Viking, this thing is pure towing power. The Gen Y Viking gooseneck hitch is a strong and reliable hitch that can tow up to 30,000 pounds, and it can handle 8,500 pounds of tongue weight, making it perfect for heavy-duty hauling jobs. It comes in either a round or square tube and has a snap latch coupler that automatically locks for a secure connection every time, so you won't have to worry about your trailer coming loose. Whether you're towing a trailer for work or travel, this hitch is designed to make the process smoother and safer. It's made in the US and coded for durability. It meets safety standards and comes with a limited lifetime warranty, so you can trust it to last. Gen Y has some awesome names for their products, and the Admiral is a new bumper style coupler, and it's strong. Kinda feel like I should salute this thing. The Admiral is a great new product from Gen Y Hitch. With a 20,000 pound towing capacity, it can pull almost any load you're towing. It's offered in a channel mount or flat plate mount, giving you options depending on what you need. And hooking up your trailer with the Admiral is easy thanks to the funnel coupler design. This design guides the ball into the coupler with no trouble. And the standout feature of the Admiral is the snap latch system. When the snap latch comes into contact with the ball, it automatically latches closed, locking the ball into place. You won't have to fight and fuss with traditional latches and couplers. It's the safest latching system on the market. Everybody loves a muscle car. The sound of the roaring V8, the smell of that interior, and the feeling that everybody's looking at you. Well, when you pop the hood, you want to give them something to look at. The Chevy Bowtie Slant Edge alternator by Factory Performance Parts upgrades the reliable GM 10SI alternator with a new stylish look. Inspired by classic American V8 muscle cars, it features a sleek design with sharp edges and the Chevrolet Bowtie logo. Available in 7 different finishes, including the signature black, crinkle, and Chevy orange, this 100 amp alternator is a great choice if you want to improve the appearance and performance of your engine. Made with all new parts and thoroughly tested, the Slant Edge alternator offers a reliable and attractive upgrade for your vehicle. If you've ever worked under the hood of a car, you know sometimes there's not a lot of room. Well, the Proform Lightning Bolt alternator has a lot of power in a small package. The Proform Lightning Bolt Mini Alternator is a compact, lightweight alternator designed for those who need reliable performance without adding unnecessary weight to their vehicle. Weighing only 7 pounds, it delivers over 80 amps at idle and over 100 amps at top speed, all within a 98mm case that's 40% lighter than the standard GM 10SI alternator. The aluminum housing features distinctive lightning bolt cutouts offering a unique look. It's easy to install with a one-wire hookup, and it's compatible with both universal 93mm mounts and the GM 10SI setups, making it a versatile option for various automotive needs. Thanks for watching the event. Now remember, there's going to be new videos coming out every month for more opportunities to see new products from your favorite brands. We'll see you next time.